Welcome to our virtual class and our today's first topic. Today's topic is the children are going to school. So students from 1.5 years, you are not back to school. So here I am showing you picture and how such kind of the students, you all are students seated in this way that early in the morning you are coming to school and how was the pleasant environment you are feeling in the morning that we are going, that how you did you feel when you are coming to school. So in this poem also we are going to learn this same thing. Okay, so students, this poem is written by the Nida Fazli. Actually his full name is the Muqtada Hassan Nida Fazli. What? Muqtada Hassan Nida Fazli. He born on 12th October 1938, means before the independence of our country, and he had died on 8th February 2016. And Nida Fazli was a prominent means important Indian Hindu and Urdu poet. He was the Indian Hindu poet as well as Urdu poet also. Even his lyrics means now you have seen the words or sentences of the poem lyrics, dialogue writer, and even students. He was awarded with a Padma Shri in 2013 by the government of India, in which field? In contribution to literature. In this field, he was awarded with the Padma Shri. Okay, so students now will have, this is our poem. Okay, morning light sprays over the earth. Once again, the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Though the green top branches breezes sing their songs of blessing, fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy rose with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush strip foliage waves his hand, for children are going to school. Angels of light have set out, every road is a gleam. At this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof, flies pigeon in the sky, for children are going to school. So this is our poem. We will start with an explanation that morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. So students, it means that it's a time of the morning. In this morning, it's time for at the time of the sunrise. Everywhere the sunlight gets spreaded and the sky bow his head. Bow means what, students? Just leaning down means is welcoming. He is welcoming the students who are going to school. It means that, see, when the sun rises, the light gets spread all over the world. Okay, and the sky is bow. See, the bow means is an action when we respect. When we respect or when we welcome our guests. In the same way, sky is also welcome to the school-going children. Now the next, the sun after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, wit and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. So it means that see, this is the picture. In this picture, the sun, okay, the sun is little bit above. And the river, it means that means the poet trying to say that it is deep in the river, means still the whole sunrise is not happen. It's still the sun is deep in the river, but on his head the golden turban, means you know very well when the sun get rises, the surrounding the climate of surrounding is little bit in a golden. So that one they are assuming that the sun, the dress up in his golden turban, and this with by wearing this golden turban, sun winked and he smiled by standing on the road. By standing one side of the road, he gives the smiles to the children. To whom he is giving smile? To children who are going to school. Now, through the green top branches, breezes sing the songs of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush-tipped foliage waves his hand. So here it means what? The top branches. Through the top green branches, they are giving songs of blessing. That songs of blessings mean wo unko आशीर्वाद दे रहे, blessing, that go and study. They are giving a songs of blessing. And the flowers, okay, who are see, you know very well that the flowers, smell of flowers is so pleasant. Okay, so that they are with that fragrant, these flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies, such kind of the songs. And that people tree at the corner, they are waving. Waves and means how when you are coming school, your mama saying bye, how they wave their hands. So the poet feel that at the corner lane means जो बोलते हैं ना, the narrow road, that is a lane. In that lane there is a people tree, okay, and with the leaves they are just waving hands to the students who are going to school. Angel of light have set out every road is a gleam. Every gleam at this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Is that the angels of light? Angels of light, tum log in Hindi we say na farishte. In the same way, that angel, the light of angel, they start or even they shine out. They give lighted the road so that the students can go. They reach the school so easily, and every particle means whether it is a living thing, non-living thing, air, trees, every particle on the earth, its beats. Throb means beat, means when you keep your hands on your heart, how it beats. In the same way, every particle of the earth is throbs like a mother's earth. And how they look like, how the pigeon when they were sitting on the roof, when they fly in the sky, in the same way the children were sitting in their houses, they are coming out to come to school so that they can fly in the sky. Okay, students, so this is our lesson, this is our poem. We are finished with our poem.